Hey everybody, I'm back with another video. And as you can probably guess, I'm going to be painting again today. I decided to go ahead and paint the door handles, body color. Like the ones that came on the sport version of the Ranger. I think it'll look nice. And I still have a little bit of this custom mix paint in vermilion. That's the color of this truck, and almost none of that clear left. So what I did is I picked up some Rust-Oleum apple red, which is made for plastic, and some kind of cheapy store clear coat. I'm going to use these, well, I'll use this as a base coat, and then I'll do a final coat with the color matched red. And then, yeah, I probably won't be able to use that at all, so I'll just have to use this over top of it. But it should be pretty simple, just a matter of cleaning it, taping it off, taping all around there. Should be able to get a nice clean edge. Spraying it and letting it dry. So I think I'll clean it and get it taped up. Stay tuned. All right, here it is, all cleaned and taped up, passenger side here. And as usual, I have Donovan kind of helping me. So I'll give this one more wipe down, and it's a little breezy right now. Maybe wait for the wind to die down a bit. Then I'll go ahead and give it a coat or two of the base coat. All right, one coat of the base is done and it's drying. I'll let that dry for about 10 or 15 minutes. Do a second coat, and then I imagine probably just one decent top coat before I do the clear. The top coat of the color mixed red, that is. So now it's just a waiting game. Okay, and here I have the driver's side. Go ahead and give this a real light coat. And then let this dry. All right, doesn't look like much, but that's just one tack coat. Stay tuned. Okay, I got all the base coats done and 2 coats of the vermilion red over top. But I have to say, even if I weren't gonna do the vermilion red over top, that base coat that I chose was pretty darn close. Probably close enough for, you know, a door handle. But anyway, it's time. I think I am going to use the rest of this clear. There's probably like that much in the bottom of it. So I'm going to give it a couple coats, pull the paper off, and this will be done. All right, it's all dry. Time to unmask it. And there it is. What do you think? I actually really like it. Now I'll just do the other side. This other side, got kind of a, I don't know if you can see them, a few little fissures right there, but they're under the clear at this point, so no big deal. And there it is. I'll do this one-handed. Another finished product. I really like it. Let me know what you think. I'll leave the lock escutcheon black. I'm not going to paint that, but let me know what you think of the painted handle. I like it, and it seems to go pretty well with the truck. Color match is good, of course, so no complaints. Yeah, one more project done. Gives it a little more of a custom look. Although it was a factory option, I think. Well, it was standard on the Sport model. But that'll do it for this video. Definitely appreciate you taking the time out of your day to watch it. And please give it a like if you are so inclined. And if you haven't already, please subscribe, because lots more videos coming this way. Did the Japanese classic car show last weekend in the Prelude, and you can watch that video. So that'll do it for this one. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the flip side.